Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.
Harus betul-betul mengikuti. Nah, yang terpenting pengecasan itu adalah step by step-nya.
They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up.
Saya sangat berterima kasih kepada Diton Premium karena sudah mengadakan acara Skill of Pride, dan saya sangat berterima kasih sudah mengajarkan edukasi mengecat dengan benar. Kedepannya School of Pride bisa diadakan lagi di Smk Nasional Malang. Terima kasih banyak Diton Premium yang telah menyelenggarakan selama 2 hari di SMK Nasional dan mau mengembangkan potensi-potensi anak kami, bagaimana cara mengecat dengan baik dan benar. Anak kami sangat bangga. Semoga dengan Diton Premium nanti anak kami pada waktu keluar bisa berwirausaha. Terima kasih Diton Premium. Semoga tahun depan lebih sukses lagi, lebih jaya, dan SMK Nasional dan Diton Premium semakin dekat.
Like 2D, I been kicking shit like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip, black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass. No, I'm dead. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press a nigga with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We've been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty.